Good morning everybody and a very warm welcome to St Christopher's School. So up on stage today we have 2D. Now 2D, have you brought your big loud voices with you today?
Yeah!
Did you hear something? Have you got your big voices with you?
Yeah!
Excellent. So they've been very busy practicing. They've been learning lots of lines and lots of songs, and I think they're all ready to go this morning. So we're really looking forward to hearing what you've got to say. I know they had a busy week last week. They went to the beach last week, and this assembly is following on from the beach trip and the work they've been doing learning about beaches and the oceans. So I shall hand over to 2D. Big loud voices, guys. Here we go. Thank you. Well done.
Welcome, my hearties, to our class assembly. Please let me introduce you to our wonderful pirate crew. We're the fiercest pirates ever! We never change our socks, so no, it's part of the pirate code. We like to be proper pirates when we're sailing out below. Pirate code, yo ho ho, it's the rules, it's what we know. Pirate code, yo ho ho, following the pirates code. Following the pirates code. We never clean our teeth, oh no, it's part of the pirate's code. We like to be properly loud and simply going with the flow. Following the code, yo ho ho, it's the rules, it's what we know. Following the code, yo ho ho, following the pirate's code. Following the pirate's code. Well, lovers, the day has come. After much merriment down the Jolly Jellyfish, we have taken to the high seas. But our ship is just a little different to a normal pirate ship. Everything aboard the Plastic Pearl is made from plastic. The crew's shoes and boots and their coats and the peg legs and patches and the captain's hat, plates, bowls, bags, and the latest hooks. We don't hunt for gold and treasure. Oh no, we want plastic and lots of it.
When we don't need the plastic anymore, we just throw it overboard. It's great.
It's amazing, hear us praising plastic. yours to reason.
keep the plastic out of our oceans, we'll be in real trouble.
We're not solar animals of the ocean agree, but we don't care.
Let me take you to the Olga Octopus Deep Sea Hospital, where things are particularly busy today. What are we going to do if we don't keep the plastic out of our oceans? We'll be in real trouble.
My shell is deformed because I got stuck in a plastic ring. I almost choked in a plastic bag last week. Next time I might not be so lucky. My tummy ache is getting worse and worse. Any more microbeads and I'll be a goner. It's the same old thing, I'm afraid. Plastic ingestion. See what the mountain of plastic is doing to our health service. We need to talk with the pirates. I'm sure they would change their tune if they realized how many problems their plastic booty is causing us. Let's go in to speak to them.
Excuse me, pirates, can we have a moment of your time?
Please help us. We don't like all this plastic. It's so dangerous. Stop it. It's making us ill. Help! We're desperate. Please stop throwing all the plastic in the sea.
So the animals of the ocean agree, but we don't care.
Now just a minute, we need to listen.
Our plastic is hurting the sea creatures and it's making them ill.
Oh dear, we don't want to hurt any sea creatures. Maybe we'd better not use so much.
We'd better stop throwing all the plastic in the ocean.
We can't just use the plastic that we need. Yes, I suppose I don't really have to replace all my joy every week. And I threw 3 buckets overboard last week, even though they were perfectly alright.
What about the messages in the bottle?
We suppose we could just send emails.
refillable bottles to drink from.
We could use rucksacks and bags for life instead of plastic carrier bags. What about all the plastic we already threw in? We could fish for it. We'll cast out the nets. We'll recycle the lot. On we went back to plundering gold and silver again, and the plastic when we recycled a lot. Take a look at our wonderful pictures. We also created posters about sea pollution to make sure the sea creatures don't get caught up in any more plastic. We hope you enjoy our assembly, and remember, recycle your plastic and save our ocean creatures.
Fantastic. What do we think? Didn't they do a great job? Give them a big Children, you were brilliant. Big light voices. You were clear. You learnt all your words. I am so impressed. Could you just all stand up for me now, please? After you've done an amazing show like that, when you go to the theatre, all the actors on the stage usually take a bow. So after 3, I'd like you to just take a little bow. Okay, 1, 2, 3.